Hi and welcome. In this video we're going to have a look at a small but perfectly formed new improvement to Photoshop, and it's called variable fonts. And what it is, it allows us to have like a load of different fonts all in one typeface. Sound too good to be true? Well, let's have a look at it, how it works. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Well, let's make a start by laying a little bit of text down. Now I'm going to use the type tool, so I can go down into the toolbox and click on the big T, or I can press T on the keyboard to select the type tool. And then I'll click once in here and I'll type in, let's say, variable text. Okay, we'll just drag that back into the middle like that. There we go. And then we've got some impact text. But if we have a look at the text now, you can see that some of them have an actual VAR on them. There's VAR, Acumen Variable, there's Banner Shift. They've all got this VAR, and this means that they are a variable font. And so, well, what does this mean? Well, let's have a look at a sample. So we'll zoom across it and we'll select that banner shrift. Now you can see at the bottom of the properties panel now we've got two new sliders for weight and width. And so if I move the weight slider, what we can do is we can give the text more weight, so we can make it thicker and more bold, or we can take it down and make it thinner. So we've not got lots of different things to click now to do this. And then we can change the width, which is basically the space in between the letters. So we can change that, and we can change the weight to get the specific text that we actually need. Now there's another set of variables. There's some that have two actual extra sliders, but the Acumen Variable, for example, this has three sliders. So we can not only change the weight, so we can take the weight down to a very, very thin text. We can change the width, so we can scrunch it up, or we can move it out. And we can change the slant, so we can italicize it a little bit as well. And I think that is really cool. So that's it for variable fonts. A small, but nevertheless important new addition to Photoshop 2018. Well, that's it for this video. I do hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment in the More section under the video on YouTube. And if you get a minute, please click that subscribe button. It really will help me to grow my Photoshop learning community and reach more people with the videos. Okay, I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.